So client here designed for two kind of interface. Is a user interface traditionally. So first user interface is for business users. It should be easy enough. And second user interface for technical user. Right. So business user, what tool we have? We have got S-based client, or we call spreadsheet, sheet add-in. Spreadsheet add-ins, look at this, the one Excel sheet, it's add-in, right? This is S-based client. So remaining in Excel sheet, we can do all analysis. There's one client, there's another client called Smart View. Very robust solution these days. The world is going away from programming. The less programming you use, the less maintenance cost and the quicker solution you provide. Therefore, in the old days, there was a need of writing Excel macros. There is no need to write any program. Everything can be done over here without writing Excel based macros. This is Smart View. Excel and Smart View has 90% similarities. What changes are there we'll discuss later. For now, Smart View is a one solution for complete Hyperion. You are using S-based planning, financial management, strategy, finance, any Hyperion product you are using, Smart View can be used. So you should convince your client not to use programming and depend on Smart View. Ready-made things are available. So anything changes, no programming, there's no change in programming. There's no program at all. There are two kind of interface we have. Then third interface, these two are basically plugins into Excel sheet. And then we have a reporting. The beauty of S-base is that we have a reporting. We can use internal reporting from Hyperion family. I should use a term called Oracle family. And S-base also support third-party reporting. It means it is possible you can use Cognos or business object to report against your S-base cube. S-base also support some other business reporting tool. So engine would be S-base. So traditionally for BI reporting is like this. I take an example of Cognos, which is another reporting tool. I can replace RDBMS and insert S-base in between. It is possible. What is the advantage? Naturally, performance gain is one of the major advantage. User will always, for user, it always looks to the user as if the interface does not change. Only the underlying engine has been changed. We incorporate S-base. So performance of the report would definitely be increased. And there are certain other areas we find gain. So this is client tier. There is various interface. And another interface for technical user, S-base administration service. Admin service. As the name itself indicate, it is for administrator or developer. So technical user connect to S-base administration service in order to create cube or perform various technical tasks. There is technical user interface and business user interface. So one client is S-base administration service console. There is another client for integration service console. We'll discuss about that. This is your user. This is all business user interface. We can design even third-party reporting tool. You can design a reporting solution in Java, .NET and connect to your Essbase Cube. Although this is absolutely not required or not recommended unless it's a product-based company which want to incorporate Essbase component inside their own product. Very, very exceptional cases. And then you have a middle tier. Okay, the middle tier 1, 2, 3. First is called Analytical Provider Services, Analytics Provider Services. This middle tier require to connect Essbase Cube to Smart View. What is Smart View? This is a Smart View, right? So every time you access Essbase Cube, which middle tier service you need? Provider service. It should be running Hyperion provider service. It should be running in order to connect to Essbase Cube through Smart View.